These 4 all new broths are unsalted and make the perfect pantry product for all of your PLANTSTRONG cooking. Introducing slow simmered vegetable, shiitake mushroom, Spanish style sofrito, and sweet corn. All of these are organic, they're oil-free, unsalted, and none of these come with any added sugars. Use them to saute instead of oil. Use them to enhance your grains like quinoa, amaranth, brown rice, and use them to kick up your casseroles and enhance your stews and your chilies. I dare you, absolutely dare you, to find another broth on the market that is lower in sodium and has cleaner ingredients. Go ahead, I'll wait. Well, I don't have all day, but I think you get the point. So go out, grab 1 or all 4 of these broths, and let me know what you think. Thanks.